The graph shows the velocity of a particle, time in this direction, velocity in this direction. So we have to say a few things. We have to do when is it moving forwards, the particle. So we can see the velocity is negative here from 0 to 4, and from 4 to 14 this one is positive. So positive velocity means it is moving in the positive direction, that is forward. So from t t4 to 14 it is moving forwards. So this is when it is moving in the forward direction. Second one is when is the acceleration positive? Acceleration, when is it positive? So acceleration is positive when only change of velocity, the gradient, if we look, the gradient is positive, that is from here to up to there somewhere, let's say 10. So from 0 to 10 up to there, this is origin, so 0. From 0 to 10 the acceleration is positive. When it is furthest in the negative direction, so of course from at 0 this is starting in the negative direction, it is starting to go in the negative direction, and at 4 the velocity, direction of velocity changes. So if this is origin, it goes up to 4, it goes in the negative direction, then it comes back and comes returning to the origin, and then keeps going in the forward direction after 4 second. Sorry, not after 4 second, I mean at 4 second this is starting in the positive, it goes in the positive direction, but it doesn't reach in the origin, that we don't have in this diagram, that information. So it is farthest in the negative direction is at time t. So at t is equal to 4 second, this is farthest in the negative direction, because up to then it is going in the negative direction, and then the direction changes, so it goes in this direction, in the positive, so the distance in the negative direction starts to decrease. And then finally, when is it furthest from the starting point? So starting point is origin, it is going in the negative direction up to here, and then looking at the graph we know somewhere around here it will return to the origin around this point somewhere, and then it will keep going in the positive direction. So we can see that it keeps going in the positive direction. So in the positive direction velocity is from 4 to 14, so we can say at t is equal to 14, this one is farthest, 14 second, this one is farthest from the origin. Of course it will be in the positive direction.